What's up, Kings? It is NappyFu all up on your screen. Today is a That Nap Life video. It is time for me to take care of contour. Contour is freshly out of a 2 to 3 month braided protective style that, although the braids were very beautiful, it did wreak havoc on my hair. I'm going to talk to y'all about it today as I get into this wash day. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. There you go. This week, I was inspired by the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verses 6 and 7. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Amen. And just like that, my hair is down. So I haven't even looked in the mirror to see how's it looking. Let's look in the mirror. I'm so scared to look at my edges, y'all. I'm so scared. But we're gonna do it. All right, face it this way. I do see some breakage. That here. This is the side that disconnected from the top. Yeah, this side has all. Boom, and this side's a little different. See, it's a little bit further back here. Ooh. Then we have this up here. All right, well, it's time to start restoring her back to her glory. And back to her glory she shall be, okay? So braids are all the way out. I went straight into a pre-poo this night, and then I let it sit overnight. And now here we are. Taking my hair down from how I had it for the pre-poo. I am going to now remove all shed hair. Very important step after you've had a long-term protective style. Remove them shed hairs, y'all. I'm telling you. Me personally, I don't throw anything that has water onto contour until I get shedded hairs out. Till I get it out to my liking. I'm not using no conditioner. I'm not using no water. This is just straight regular oil and my fingers. We love just using oil to remove any shed hair after a long-term protective style. It gives me great slip. Now we're gonna go into wash day. Because of how long I've had this in, I know I need a clarifier. So using the Sulfur 8 shampoo and combining that with the Dad moisturizing shampoo, we're gonna have ourselves a good little wash day. In case you're wondering, how do I wash my hair? I got this clip for you, girl. My favorite way to shampoo my hair. And many of y'all have tried it and told me you love it too. So I'm gonna keep on talking about it. I'm gonna keep on sharing it because the world must know. Okay. All right, so my hair is completely washed, y'all. As you can see, the water is still dripping from it. Now it's ready for the deep conditioning step. I am going to combine 2 different hair masks together, actually. I'm going to use the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask, and I'm going to use it along with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration hair mask. Did you see something they both have in common? They both have honey. Yes, indeed. Well, the Shea Moisture actually makes my hair feel quite moisturized. The Honey Miracle mask makes my hair feel moisturized also, but what I love about it is the slip that it gives me. Whatever I didn't catch when I was moving shed hair, a deep conditioner that has a lot of slip will catch it for you, okay? All right, so now I'm just gonna pretty much apply this through my hair, and then after I apply it, I'm gonna take a comb. You're gonna see me use a combination of a wide tooth comb and, did my clip just break? Oh my gosh. Girl. Anyway, I'm going to use a combination of a wide tooth comb and the boarhead brush. Is it called a boarhead brush? You know what? Let me tell you something. I used to call this brush, don't laugh at me, y'all, the white girl brush, because whenever I was introduced to this brush, I always saw white girls using it on their hair, girls. So I thought it was just for them. Little did I know, my hair likes it too. But anyway, I'm going to use the white toothbrush and the bristle brush to basically detangle the hair. I'm going section by section while I'm doing outside the shower because I really want to make sure I have full control because I just came from a long-term protective style. My scalp is already very sensitive and there's a lot of shedded hair stuck in between. So I want to make sure I'm doing this very thoroughly, taking my time and doing it right. All right, so after I'm done with all this, I am going to basically make sure I get them edges area, okay? Put some on there and I'm going to let this set. All right, so this is my hair after I rinsed everything off. So off camera, I rinsed with the deep conditioner and everything. I had it sit on my hair for about an hour or so underneath heat. I did use my heating cap. Now I'm applying my favorite leave-in conditioner, which y'all already know is the Giovanni leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna pretty much pull my hair to the back, keeping it simple, keeping it low tension. As you can see, I'm not slicking nothing down. I'm not tying nothing down. I'm just keeping it real simple. And this is how I'm gonna let my hair dry and stretch. I am gonna tie a scarf over my head just to kind of give it some slickness because I'm not putting any gel. I'm not gonna put any of that stuff on my hair because it really needs a break from anything that will cause tension or give it some strong hold. I don't want none of that, okay? So I'm gonna pretty much put it back in this ponytail, as you can see, and I'm gonna tie it into a scarf. This is how much hair that I lost, y'all. Again, I had the braids in, I wanna say from November to December and a little bit of January. So almost 2 months, roughly 2 months. This is how much hair I lost altogether. This is the shed hair along with the hair that came out from when I did a deep detangling with the comb and the brush. Might look like a lot, but I'm actually fine with this amount. It don't look like a lot to me, okay? It looks quite reasonable, okay? Thank you, Lord. And I'm just giving y'all a close-up of the areas that were damaged. Before we continue, let me apologize to your eyes. I know you look at this robe like, wait, what is NappyFu wearing? Girl, this thing look like it is hurt. It does look hurt. You're right. I give you that. But let me tell you something. This is the most comfortable robe I've ever owned in my whole entire life. So this is the area that I got the damage in, y'all. This is where the braid disconnected from the top. Like the section that's right diagonal from the ending of my brow, it disconnected from there all the way down to the back of my ear. It was gone. The hair said bye. But don't worry. We doing things for it to come back and say hi. All right, we sure is. Don't mind me, y'all. So some things that I have been doing to restore her back to her glory is using hair growth oils and sprays. Yes, I have introduced myself to this world. Stimulating oils, stimulating sprays. I got this bundle from Hulu Naturals. I've been testing it out. So far, so good. Other things that I'm also doing is getting back to my Ayurvedic days. So I've been using amla masks. I've been incorporating the henna and all those things I used to do almost every wash day that I kind of stopped doing and got more into the store-bought stuff because the store-bought stuff is easier. It's already made for you. You ain't gotta do nothing else. But no, I'm going back to my roots. The fenugreek, the razul, the bentonite, all of that. I'm going to get back to using it consistently every week because that is when I was using Ayurvedic hair care methods predominantly, that's when my hair felt the strongest and it just felt like a queen, okay? Right now, of course, because it got damaged, it don't feel as good as it felt when I was using Ayurvedic method. But we're going to get back into it. I'm going to also keep my hairstyles really simple, y'all. If I do slick back hairstyles like this one, I'm not going to use a lot of hair product. I'm not going to use a lot of gel. I'm going to use a little bit, slick it down, tie my head tie, and call it a day. Because one thing I'm going to tell you right now, in this 2022, in any years to come, overall, the goal in life is to never go backwards, but to move forward. Although I might have had a little hiccup in the road with the damage the braids caused me, I'm going to keep on moving. I've already licked my wounds and now I'm ready to heal. You know what I'm saying? And one thing else I'm going to do is make sure I do not sacrifice the health of my hair for a hairstyle. That's exactly what I did here. And I always talk about not doing it. Yeah, I know sometimes it's hard to practice what you preach, right? Okay. Well, I didn't listen to my damn self and advice I gotten from other people too. But word to the wise is enough, and I've wisened up. Okay. Boom. Off camera, I added my little ponytail, y'all. It need a little something, so I ponytailed it up. Here we go. I'm probably gonna tie my scarf back on because I need to get this part a little flatter. But anyhow, I'm low maintenance it is. So if I'm not doing this low ponytail, then I'm using stuff like this, a half wig. So it'll be like right here and my hair is pulled back and there's a braid right here. I might put the comb into that, or most of the time I'm putting my comb into the stocking cap, the net stocking cap. And that's it, low maintenance. Definitely don't want no tension in my front area, not my crown area, not my nape area, the most sensitive areas, okay? And that is it, y'all. These braids were beautiful. As you can see, I was rocking them all the way out in Hawaii, which is why I even got these braids. They are gorgeous. I love the color. You know, just the aftermath was quite a beat, but it's okay. If I get this look again, I know what not to do. Okay. And now we have come to today's Snapchat question. I want to know from you, have you ever had a protective style that wreaked havoc on either your edges, your crown, your nape, or any part of your hair? Okay. Let us know what style that was and how you recovered from it. Trust me, Your response would definitely help the next natural out. Thanks in advance.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
And I will catch you on the next one. Until then, remember my sister, my cousin, my friends, Team Kinks. I said Team Kinks. In order to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently, even when you think nobody's watching. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.